Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anut and today in the JavaScript tutorial I will show you what is array find index and array filter method. Both methods are very important, but filter method maximum time we use. So for showing those two methods I will go to the HTML file. First I will show you the find index, then filter method, and I will show you the syntax and what you can do using those two methods. So in the HTML file you can see I have created one array, and this array contains some number values. Okay, so here first you have to understand what it does. So find index method just find the index of our element. Suppose here you want to find the index of 30. Okay, so now here easily I can count 30 means here if I count from here index start from 0, that you already know. So 0 1 2 3, so 30 means index will be 3, but here suppose the element values I mean this array values are more than 1000 times, so it is difficult to count, right? So that time we can use this find index method and we can easily find the index of our element. So now I will write the syntax. First the array name. So for me I have created array and I stored in this variable numbers. So for me array name is numbers. Now dot then method name which is find index. So you have to write this method name and I is the capital of find index method. Now parenthesis, then inside this parenthesis you have to write another parenthesis, and now after this second parenthesis you have to write equal and arrow then curly braces. Maybe this syntax will be a confusing for you if you are the first time, but when you will practice more and more then it will be easy. So now here I will write one parameter. So inside this parenthesis here I will write parameter. This is called parameter. Okay, and this is actually a simple name which will denote those value one by one. Means element means first it will denote 10, then 20, then 40, like this way. Okay, so it means it is this element means it will be a array values. Okay, I hope it is clear. Just you have to remember when we pass anything inside this parenthesis, then we call it parameter, and parameter here those values. Okay, so now here I want to check the index of 40, right? So here I will write element. Okay, element means actually ELM. This is the short form of element which I have written as a parameter. By the way, if you want to write any other name you can do it. Okay, so here I want to find the index of 20, right? So I will write here element double equals to 20 means when it will be 20 means then when this element will be 20, because I already told like this parameter means each value it will check, right? So when it will come 10, so this one will be false, right? Because I have written it is 20. So when it will come 20, so that time it will return the index of 20. So I will write here return, because it will return the index. And now here after using this enter method I will take one variable before using this method. So I will write here result, okay, which is res, which is short form of result, that we can take any variable name here. And now I will write here console.log and this variable name result. Okay, so here the one noticeable thing is 20 is twice here and end of this array. So here it will return the first one. Okay, when it will check the first match means this one, then it won't return the second one. Okay, I mean this one. So always you have to remember find index method return the first elements matched element returns elements position. Okay, so now here what will be the output if you are guessing 1, so you are correct, because 0 and 1. Okay, so now I will save and I will check in the browser. So you can see output is 1. So same way if you want to check 40, so you can check here. Okay, so 40 means the output should be 0 1 2. Okay, see 2. So hope it is clear. Now what you can do using this method. So now here if you want to add one more value in this array, okay, how you can do that? So simply if you write here numbers, then this one array, and here if you write 0 equals to suppose 0. So here it will add, this is index, okay, so it will add here before 10, because I have written in 0 index it will add one value 0. So 0 index means starting, right? So it will add one value 0 here like this. So output will be like this. So let's see the output. So here if I console this array again, so console dot log and this numbers array. So now you will find the output will be 0, 10, 20, 40, 30, 50, 20 like this way. Okay, so let's see the output. See 0 which was not there in this array, but now it is added 0. Okay, and 10 is removed from here. So same way after finding the index. Okay, so here I found the index of 40. So here instead of 40, if you want to write any other number, so you can do it. Simply you have to write here numbers, then 40. The index of 40 is I'm getting in this variable race. Okay, so race, and then you want to add suppose 25. So what will be the output? You can guess and you can write in the comment section. Now I will just console this numbers array. Okay, so if your output is 10, 20, then instead of 40, 25, 30, 50, 20, so you are correct. So now I will save and I will show you. So here you can see 10, 20, 25. Before it was 40, but when I change for this 40 to 25 in the position of 40 index, so then 25, 30, 50, 20. So this for this purpose you can use this find index method. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Now I will show you this filter method, which is most important method in this array. By the way, all methods, all array methods are important, but filter method we maximum time we use. So now I will go to HTML file and I will show you the filter method. So before starting this method, here I want to say one thing. If you haven't watched the find method, so just go to my previous video and check the find method. Okay, because filter and find method mostly similar, but find method returns the first match value, but filter method return entire matched value. What it is, I will show you. So the syntax is numbers and then dot filter, and after that parenthesis, again parenthesis, and after second parenthesis you have to write equals to arrow, then curly braces. This is the syntax, and here you have to pass one parameter. Okay, parameter name I have written num, because here this array contains only number. So now here suppose you want to filter which values are more than 20. So here more than 20 means 40, 30 and 50. Okay, so each matched value it will return. Okay, so here num means here I already said num means each array values. Okay, because this is the parameter. So num, then if num more than 20, okay, then I will return the values. Okay, and now here after using this method I will store inside another variable. So the variable name I will write here result. Now I will console dot log and I will console this result. Okay, so what will be the output? If your output is 40, 30, 50, so you are correct. So now I will show you in the browser. So see, output is 40, 30 and 50. But here if I write find method instead of filter, everything is same. In my last video I had shown you the find method. So everything is same, just instead of filter I will write here find. So what will be the output? So you can guess and you can write in the comment section. If you have watched my previous video, so easily you can guess the output will be 40 only, because find method returns the first match value. So here when 10 it will the number will be 10, so it won't return. But when the number will be 20, that time also it won't return, because I have written the condition is more than 20. So when it will find 40, so it is more than 20. So that time it will return 40 and it won't check the remaining values. Okay, so that is the use of find and filter method, and this is the difference also. So now I will go to the browser and here you can see output is 40. Okay, and filter method, so output will be 40, 30 and 50. Okay, here hope you can understand the difference between filter and find method, and also you have understood those two methods. So then you can subscribe my channel and also like this video to get more update in JavaScript.